everyone. Today I want to talk about the distinction between a rich person and a poor person. Before starting, why don't we assume that two people face the same problem? One has less and gives us. The other tries to do it. The situation is the same, but the reaction is similar. What is the reason? The action is due to mindset. Mindset means the way we see it and understand things. It's about how we think of life, especially growth and possibilities. The way we think becomes the basis for everything we do. How we handle challenges, the relationships, and see ourselves. The difference between a rich mindset and a poor mindset is about the beliefs and habits behind our daily choices. A poor mindset focuses on problems and what is missing. It sees the world through scarcity, which means living there is not enough. People with the mindset often pay attention to are they win or they win, instead of drawing lessons after each competition. When something goes wrong, they often ask, why is this happening to me? This question creates fear and makes them feel stuck. They can make blame on the people dependent on the situation, instead of taking responsibility for their own growth. For example, a student with a poor mindset often feels problems, disappointed, and loses hope when the student fails the exams. In contrast, a rich person focuses on possibilities. It sees the world through abundance, which means living there is always more. Please note that abundance is not being careless. It means shutting down what you did will come back in another form. This simple change makes your focus move from fear to growth. Then you will feel lighter and more in control. Awareness is the beginning of the change, and rescue will help a move from scarcity to abundance. Remember that a rich person is not pretending everything is perfect. It's about believing you have sufficient power to grow even from pain. For instance, a student with a rich mindset often takes responsibility for fun and trying to create when failing the exam. Another difference is learning and earning. Rich-minded people concentrate on learning, while people with a poor mindset only notice earning. When you apply yourself to learning, you will see every challenge as lessons in place of words, which prevent you from success. And you will stop being afraid of failure, because failure becomes a part of studying. Learning is also an investment that brings value over time. Every mistake we make teaches something to us. A poor mindset sees others as brutal washouts. Nobody always has a rich mindset. It's something we need to practice. To start, when something difficult happens, rather than asking, why me? You should ask, what can I learn from this? A rigid-minded person is the one who takes control of oneself and feels free and grateful. So, are you that person?